Welcome back to Market Pros, and let's get into it. All right, first I want to say real quick, if the quality is better, please leave a comment down below. Let me know if the quality is better. I changed around some settings yesterday, so I definitely want to know whether it worked or not. Yeah, so let's get into it. RSI, we are on the 1 hour on Bybit. RSI is in the bullish control zone. We are above the signal line. MACD, see here. Hold on, it's being really laggy right now. MACD is coming back up for a test. Your negative momentum is decreasing, so we could get the cross. Vol's in the lower zone. Looks like we're coming up. Okay, so yesterday I was wrong. I did expect a BART pattern here. So yeah, I'm just holding myself accountable. I did get it wrong on the short-term time frame. We did just stair step. I mean, we broke out. I bet a lot of people was looking at this BART, but it looked like this moving average signal played out, which is one of my signals that I use. But I did not enter a trade right there because I did think it was just going to curl back over. So yeah, this was one of the times I was wrong. Can't be right every time. So looks like we could still have a BART here, but we'll find out. I'm not going to make a call just yet because we could still come back up to this red region, which is kind of what I was looking at first. And I did give the validation levels to the upside, which we did pass. This is why I always give the bullish and the bearish case, because you never know. You really never know. These are just probabilities, so you're never going to be right every time. They're all probabilities. So validation to the upside would be to get above this red region, first of all, because I will expect some kind of pullback from this red region at basically 42,300, somewhere around there. Yeah, so if we cannot make it up to there, and if we come back down below the bottom of this range right here at 41, basically 41,200, and break that 21, not going to look good. I would expect the BART at that point, at least down to the bottom of this, and then we'll come back to it later. So I would expect the 50 to break. I would expect the 21 to curl down, which, could bring us down quite a while. We could continue to go sideways here, and this is the third option. Maybe we are just in one range at this point. Maybe we are in a range from, about 40,600 to, let's see here. My computer's being very laggy. I don't know if it's because of the settings. So if you guys could let me know down below, first of all, whether the settings did change it, and second of all, whether you can bear with me for the longer me being able to get these levels because of the lag, or whether you'd rather have the quality. I am still doing this off a laptop. Please just bear with me until I can get a desktop, because then it will be a lot faster and the quality will be maximum capacity. 41,700 is top of this range, basically. If we get a closure below this, if we get a closure below that 41,700 level. So let's move on to Solana. All right, so here we got Solana on FTX on the 1 hour. So your RSI did get into the bullish control zone. We are above the signal line. Looks like we're coming back down for a retest of the bottom of the bullish control zone. MACD, looks like you're trying to get a retest of the signal line. We are below the signal line right now, though. We need to basically keep rising, stay above where we are right now, in order to cross this signal line bullish. Now, if it just retests and resume down, your negative momentum is decreasing. But if it just retests and resume down, that's not going to look good. Let's see here. Vols in the lower zone. It is expanding though, as we are getting this move to the upside. Now, validation to the upside would be to get above 111. All right, basically 111, where this last bottom and this last resistance was for this range over here. This range over here. Okay, validation of the downside would be to get back below basically 106.55 and the 21. I would expect a move all the way back down to, I would expect a bounce at the 50, but I would expect a move all the way back down close to this point of control, and I would expect it to play out the BART and come down to the 100 and 200 SMAs. So I know it looks more bullish right now, but I'm still bearish. I am still bearish on Solana and Bitcoin, and that's what I'm sticking with right now. We could continue to have this bounce, validation to the upside, and in order for me to be bullish would be to get back above, or to stay above 41,900, and do that on a daily closure. So we're not far away from that, but I'm still kind of leaning towards the downside. Yeah, I know this is really laggy. It's because I changed those settings, and so it's like a sacrificing speed for quality. So leave a comment down below. Tell me which one you'd rather have. Maybe I can try to meet in the middle. I'm going to talk to my tech guy and see what he recommends. So yeah, those are my thoughts for Solana and Bitcoin. If you guys liked the video, please subscribe to the channel. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.